In Evernote, if you have connected some other accounts like Google services, then what you can do is you can manage them as well. So to do that, you need to click on the gear icon right here. And once you go around onto gear icon, you can go around onto connected apps and click on go to your profile. Once you do that, the page with connected services pops up right here, as you can see. And here you can see that I have enabled Google Sign In. I've also connected out Google Drive, but not Google Calendar or Contacts. What you can also do is sign in with Apple, as you can see right here, and connect out your accounts related to Wall Street Journal and Nikkei, as you can see, just like this. But over here, let's say I don't want to connect out the Google Drive anymore. Then what I can do is I can press the disconnect button right here. And once I do that, what happens is that Google Drive is not connected on to my Evernote account anymore. So once that's done, you can ensure that Evernote won't have access to your Google Drive. And that is how you can go around and manage out your connected services inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.